Inside the human body, every movement, every heartbeat, and every breath works together in perfect harmony. Today, we explore the complete 3D journey of how your gym diet travels through the body, transforming food into pure energy, strength, and performance. Digestive entry. As the gym diet enters the mouth, the body activates instantly. The brain signals the stomach to prepare. Muscles relax, glands release enzymes, and the digestive system begins its powerful work. Stomach breakdown. Inside the stomach, the gym diet mixes with acidic fluids. Layer by layer, proteins, carbs, and minerals melt into absorbable form. Every wave of movement pushes nutrients deeper toward the intestines. Intestinal absorption. In the small intestine, billions of microscopic villi